It is time to repot these dahlias outdoors since they are getting too big to be indoors. The weather has been really nice with almost 50 degrees Fahrenheit overnight, which is unusual for North Idaho where I live. Normally I wouldn't put my plants out this early. This is the first time I am growing dahlias, so we are just winging it to see if they will grow on my balcony. I've seen this trick with adding soil around the pots to make it easier to transplant, so that's what we are doing here. I bought these pack of 3 14-inch wide pots for about $30 at Costco, which I was surprised to see this price since most of the pots cost a lot more. The dahlia varieties I am growing are Red Runner and Rosella, which will be nice pinks and reds. Now let's take out the dahlia out of the pot. I struggled with taking the dahlia out the first time since I was holding it with one hand and I have small hands. This is where I get the name pocket since I am tiny. The dahlia tubers are going to go straight into the hole I created by filling the soil around the pot. Now I will backfill with the soil to cover the tubers. It's been just a little bit of a struggle to grow on the balcony with not much room to fill and having all these plants. Maybe I am growing too many plants. What do you think? One dahlia planted and 2 more to go. I wasn't planning on growing dahlias, but when I saw these pots on sale and the tubers, I just had to have them. Do you ever do that? I'm starting to see why so many people say you don't need any more plants. It's like an addiction. I did want to add more flowers to the garden, but I guess these will do. If you ever struggle with getting your seedlings out of their pots to transplant, the best tip I can give is to squeeze the sides to loosen the soil. It also helps if you water in your plants a day before you want to transplant. I'm just going to slowly pull out the plant and to avoid breaking the stem. Look at these roots. This is also why I wanted to plant these out now so then they don't get root bound. You'll know when it's too early to transplant out your seedlings when the soil falls out of the pot or from the roots. It's also good to have good root development before transplanting out into the garden. Now let's plant the last dahlia plant. Here are the dahlias in their new pots ready to grow. I also staked one of the plants with a bamboo stick. It can help the stem stay upright and also protecting it from the wind. Stay tuned for updates.